Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the ultimate desktop power strip. Now this is from BESTEK. You can pick it up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $50. Now I know what some of y'all are going to say. Didn't you already review this one last year? And the answer is yes and no. Now, yes, I did review last year's version, but no, I didn't review this particular one because this one has a major upgrade, wireless charging. All right, so let's check this out. BESTEK 8 AC outlet surge protected power strip with 6 USB ports. Now you get an 18-month warranty. Let's go through the features. You got photosensitive induction. Basically, that's the LED light. It dims at nighttime automatically. You got USB intelligent identification. So the smart USB port detects your device intelligently and delivers the fastest possible charging speed up to 2.4 amps per port. You got a safety socket door. You got wireless charging, certified plug. You get surge protection, overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, and overload protection. Now it's also made out of fireproof materials. All right, so let's check this out. $50. Trust me when I tell you, this is the last power strip that you're gonna need to buy. Inside, usual books and shit, plug them, file them to the side. And here's your desktop power strip. Now check this out. Not only does this work, it looks beautiful. Now on a side note, let me show y'all something real quick. All right, so here's a picture of the one I have set up in my bedroom. Now this is last year's version, no wireless charge on the top, but I got everything plugged in. I got my Amazon Echo Show, my Google Home, all of my phones, my tablets, my computers. Every port is filled. I even got an air freshener on deck. Check this out. The major complaint that everybody had on last year's version, that wasted space on the top, everybody was saying they should have put wireless charge. Now you got wireless charge. So you got 8 AC ports. Turn them on and off with the push of a button. Here's your 6 USB ports, 0 to 2.4 amps. So when you plug in your device, it's automatically going to select the fastest charge. So if you plug in an Apple Watch and an iPhone, it's going to charge the iPhone faster. Surge protected, overload protection. Here's your reset button. And you got a 6-foot cord that's super thick. Giggity. On the bottom, you got your rubber stoppers. That's going to keep it in place on your desk. And that's pretty much it. Now, the best thing I like about this desktop charger, you can put it on the floor if you want, under your table, have everything plugged in. But if you want to rock it on your desktop, it actually looks nice. And you have easy access to all of your ports. So let me pause the video, we'll plug in a bunch of stuff and we'll see how it works. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now I got this all set up, so let's see how much stuff we can plug in. First, let's start with some speakers. All right, so I got a UE Mega Boom, plug that in. You see that light flashing? Charging up. Let's take it over to the Braven speakers. All right, so I got this cable. We'll plug in the Braven. Wait for that green light. Green light flashing. That's plugged in. Let's grab another Braven. Got the plug for this one. Okay. Wait for that green light. That's charging up too. Now, let's plug in some headphones. All right, so we got a set of Beats. Let's find a little white cable for this one. Here we go. Force it in there. There it is. All right, so that one is charging up. Let's keep it moving. Let's try Zero Lemon portable battery charger. All right, so this is a micro USB cable. We'll take it over to the input. Plug this one in. Okay, that's charging up too. Let's try the Gopro Karma grip. Let's grab another USB Type-C cable. We'll plug this one in. There's the white lights. All right, that one is on. Let's try a Huawei tablet. Let's see, let's find another cable. All right, here we go. Now this is plugged into an AC outlet. Matter of fact, this is an iPhone. Let's try an iPad. Get in there. All right, that's charging up. Let's see, we should have another cable on this side. All right, here it goes. So many cables here. Here it goes. Another USB Type-C. Let's plug in this Huawei tablet. All right, that's charging up too. Now let's plug in a couple of laptops. All right, so we'll take it to the other side. Okay, so we got a USB Type-C. We'll plug in this Huawei MateBook. Look for the light. You see that light? That's charging up. Let's grab the MateBook X. So we do two laptops. All right, so we got this one. Let's plug this one in. Look for that light. All right, there's your light. Now I'm trying to do this from behind the camera. So many wires, my bad. Let's see what else. All right, now let's plug in 5 cell phones. All right, so I got first OnePlus 6. Plug this in. Okay, you see that little charge indicator? Charging up. Let's grab, let's see, what's this? Mate 10 Pro. Now this has a nice charge animation, so you can easily see that one. That one is charging up. Let's grab Mate RS, same animation. That's charging up. Let's grab OnePlus 6 Silk White. See that charge indicator? That's charging up. And now, for the cherry on top, the wireless charging. We'll grab the iPhone. Slap it right on the top. Let me do that again so y'all can see it. Wireless charge. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major, major, major go. This is the last desktop power strip that you're going to need to buy. Now, this is perfect if you travel. I'll tell you a quick story. The last 2 trips that I went on, one trip I had my power strip, the other one I left it. When I went to Disney, I had the power strip with me. Me and my daughter had all of our phones, computers, laptops, cameras, everything plugged in right on the side of the bed. When I went to London, I left this home. In my hotel room, I had 2 phones in the bathroom. I had my computer underneath the table in the living room section. On the side of my bed, I had my camera. On the other side, I had my laptop. Spread out all over the place. That was mad whack. All right, $50 for this. If you notice, when everything is plugged in, you got your little LEDs. I don't know if you can see those green LEDs. That lets you know that the USBs are working. And you also have these push buttons on the side. Right here. So if I press this button, everything on the top layer turns off. Press it again, everything turns back on. This is a major, major, major go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.